wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see this.
Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace. In my channel I normally do DIYs, but in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing. So when this company reached out to me, I actually had used some of their products and ordered some of their products, so I was okay with that. It's Temu. If you have not, I don't know how you have not heard about it, they're everywhere. I would strongly recommend that you download their app. It is so much easier to navigate. Temu has been so kind to give my viewers a coupon code for $100. I'm going to link all the information down below in the description box. Do not forget to use the code. Just check them out, download the app, enter the code. I'm going to show you what I got now.
I want to pause this video here for a minute because I want to answer a question that I've received from many viewers, and the question is where I purchased the lace that I've been doing the lampshades in the last couple of videos. Everything I've been using in the last couple of videos other than the paint has been from Temu. Temu is an online store just like Amazon, where you go and you purchase your items and they get delivered to you. A lot of their items are sold on Amazon. They have a great selection of products. If you decide to visit their website, make sure you download the app, and in the search bar put in the code that I will be adding in the description box for you to claim your discount. Okay, let's get back to the video.
I really like these little butterflies, and I am going to do a project with these, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to link all the products that I'm going to show you in this video in the description box, or the link will take you to the product which will show the price. One of the pieces that I got is a video doorbell. Hello! The Visual Smart doorbell. It was, I don't know, like $30 something. I also got the super long battery life earbuds. It's really super easy. I wish I would have recorded it when I activated. I didn't realize it was going to be that easy. It comes with this teeny tiny little cord. You put that part into there and this into the wall. Or if I'm driving, I can put it into, I have a charger, a car charger, and this part goes in the back here. Super easy. Inside, you've got this. And this is how it comes. And you can see that I've charged it. It already says 100%. And they are lit up. These technology things drive me nuts, but I gotta tell you, this was the easiest thing. I just had to pair them, hold a little button at the same time within 5 centimeters of each other, and they paired. I turned on my iPhone, I turned on Bluetooth, and voila. And then I tried playing, bonus. I can answer my phone with these and everything. My husband was saying he wants a pair too. These were super reasonable, $30. They do come in different colors, and this I could just throw in my bag and off I go. And I also got a sort of smart watch. I don't know if you're like me, but I tend to spend quite a good chunk of money on things when the hype was out. And then guess what? The following week, it's on, you know, on the nightstand. So I'm not going to do that anymore. I ordered this sort of smart watch from Temu. It was like $30 something. You honestly can't beat that. And it counts your steps, your distance, your calories, and it's in multi-languages. Sleep monitoring, which is, hey, I need that, and shake, snap, shot, and wrist up light, you're on and off, press on, press off, incoming calls, reminder of calls, message push button, Facebook, WhatsApp, you name it. You know what, for 39 bucks, you're not paying hundreds of dollars. I will link all this information below because believe me, it's so worth it. I showed you in the other video lights that I got for around my pool. They were so beautiful and I really love the way they look. I decided to get some more. These are solar lights. If you live in an apartment, you have a little patio or a little veranda, you can put this in a flower pot. You don't necessarily have to put it in the yard if you don't have one. The on and off button there, you do that. You turn on your light and you put this in a pot of plants, or open these in the shape that you like, and I will show you how I'm going to put it. The other ones I got in the last video, oh my gosh, I am in love and I am 110% going to order more. So I'm going to show you how these are going to go, and then I'm going to show you how they look at night. So we're just trying this one on the flower pot and see how it works. This is how the little balls look. And of course, if you've watched my other videos, you've seen these that I unboxed and this. The next item is also another light. I am just crazy about these lights, these solar lights. I mean, no plugging, no wires, no nothing. Just open up the little snap, remove the little paper that's here, connect this little bottom here, put this here, and this one sort of has a 3 or a 2 tier. I can't wait to see what this looks like. And this you just, oh, it just snaps on. Easy peasy. We're gonna put that down and see how that looks at night. So just a close-up of this one, 2 layers, and it's just these little, I don't know, fiber thingies. I don't know, they're just so cute. And as soon as you take it out of the box, it automatically opens by itself, okay? And it has this, and it has this paper that you just got to remove it and turn it on. That's it. We'll wait for tonight and see how they look. Holy moly, I absolutely love it. Look at it. Isn't that just pretty? And it changes color. You've got that gorgeous red, and the tips are really red, and then you've got the white, green, and the tips really pop. And the blue. Oh wow, that is so beautiful. And then back to white. Look at that. And it's, I honestly, when I seen it, I did not imagine it to be this pretty. I honestly didn't. The next item I got was these little wooden half balls. I have done several projects with these. These are actually a very, very good size, and it was peanuts. I also got a few of these, and they are in different shapes. These are Christmas. They do have other times of the year or other holidays. These are when you make your lattes or your coffee. You just take one of these and you put it over the foam, and you sprinkle some chocolate or you sprinkle some cinnamon or whatever it is that you like, and it'll have that shape. What is this? I forgot what this is. See, I only got one because I want to see how it works. And if it works, I am going to get a couple more. This is, when you have a Ziploc bag, and let's say you have rice in the Ziploc bag, you tap this on the Ziploc bag and you seal it, snap it on. And then when you want to pour the rice, you just open up and pour it. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell to be notified I upload. In the meantime, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when and never ever I wish I did. I love you, and thank you so much for spending some time with me.